So let's do a quick code walkthrough. Uh, uh, I'm going to first talk about the XMLs that are included with the project. So one of them is the activity practice XML and the other one is the activity preview XML. In the activity practice XML, we have a linear layout with two buttons. The two buttons are basically button refresh, and the other one is the button underscore practice underscore done, which is basically the practice button. We also have two text views. One of them is basically a rand underscore word text view, and the other one is for the timer view. And on top of all of this, we also have a practice underscore camera view, which is used for basically recording the video. Let's go to the activity underscore preview XML. In this case, we also have the same linear layout, which and that too, this layout also has two video views. One of them is the recorded one, and the other one is used for basically comparing your video. We also have a slider that is used for rating the recorded video. Which takes care of the practice activity. Now in the practice activity, as you can see, we are passing the intent of the practice activity, which basically has 8 different functions. Now based on each of the functionality, the appropriate action is taken. As an example, let's just go through one of the functions, and yeah, I'm gonna go through the on back pressed function. Now what this function is doing is that it takes care of through the initial layout. It takes you through the basically initial layout, and then let's go to the private void shutdown function. This one is basically taking care of closing the recording of the camera. So once the camera recording is done, the surface will be destroyed. So now let's have a code walkthrough through the review activity. Now in this case, we have the on create functionality. Now this one takes care of the upload, cancel, rating and progress events, which are basically captured through the functionality, appropriate button functionality. The second one is the play video functionality, which is looking for the resource. Hello everyone, our group name is 21, and let's just go to the app. As you can see, the group icon is group 21. So I'm going to show you the homepage of our app. So it has two buttons, learn and practice, and either of the two buttons are going to become active once the user has practiced a video. So once the app is open, I'm going to click on the practice module. So once I click on the practice module, it redirects to another page. On this page you have two options. The first option is to start recording, and the second option is to cancel it. So I'm going to press on the start recording button now, and the word is hello. I'm going to now press on the upload button, and as you can see, the upload was successful. So as you can see, in this case, the new word is can, and now we have the option of either learning it or practicing it again.